One of the biggest questions with new technology is, how difficult is it to integrate? All right, let's walk through how simple this actually is in practice. So the first step with NearFi, to mounting NearFi, is to use a metal L-shaped bracket for proper thermal performance. You can use a 5mm plate for good thermal connection, or you can use a 10mm plate for optimal performance. Now there are multiple mounting options depending on your application, including flange and threaded mounting points. NearFi provides flexibility and alignment, allowing for lateral and angular offset without precision tuning. It supports transmission across a small air gap with tolerance for offset and rotation in real-world systems. Commissioning starts with connecting power and data cables using standard M12 connectors. And there's no configuration required, so once it's connected, the system's ready to run. Now, the LED indicators provide clear system status and help identify any issues quickly. This isn't about adding complexity, it's about removing it from the start. So, if your system includes motion or is difficult to access, NearFi simplifies installation and long-term operation.